G'day everyone, welcome back to another episode of Sophisticated Bogan. The bike was meant to be the next video coming out, but unfortunately BMW things means, well, it's got to be fixed. So we had the idler pulley disintegrate, so we've got that off. It sits about here, but to get the rest we need to be able to get the shroud out of the way because we need to get to the AC belt, which is all the way down there, and get to the pulley for that one, so that we can move it, get the belt out of the way and get the new belt and pulley on. I dare say that I will have to get another tensioner pulley because that pulley looks not the best. Alright, so let's get cracking on into it. And yeah, so in this we'll have Cody and his mate helping me as well. So hi Cody! Oh, I almost cut his head out. Anyway, alright, so let's get cracking. Alright. So we had a lot of fun with getting the belt off. You got to go underneath to get to the belt tensioner for the aircon belt. So now we've got the new pulley going on, and it's got a little locator pin, so that should just make it a bit easier.
Probably misses a little room
To get the bolt back in.
Yep.
That's a long bolt.
Yep. What are you compensating for?
Yeah, exactly. Well, those 3 litre, it's not like the biggest 6 around.
No, Christian takes that from us at the moment.
Yeah, it's a Magna. 380 Magna. Sorry, Christian, if you end up watching this video. You got the wrong car. No, it's a good car. You can see the locator slot.
I'm fiddling with everything.
Yeah, I know, it's a pain in the ass. Last time I had to do pulleys on a BMW, all of this wasn't even there. We were building it up, not just replacing parts. So everything was space, you know what I mean? The supports weren't there, the radiator wasn't there, obviously the bar and the headlights weren't either. I'm missing bits. Oh no, that's right, that's for that air intake, isn't it? Yeah. There you go. So a little tip, you just grab the socket. If you've got sockets that have got textured edges to them, oops, like just in there, it makes it easier to start threading the bolt in. So if you're ever in a tight spot, it's a good way to do it. Put the socket on the end of it and start turning. Also, please people, make sure that you always do bolts out by hand first. Never ever put a tool onto it unless you have a nice continuous thread. I wish it was locked.
Didn't have any lockout on it. I was able to see. We should probably find its torque spec though.
We should. But that's the part that I'm going to edit out of the video.
I'll leave a comment saying, hey look, nothing was torque to spec here.
No, because I've got to sell the car. Everything is always torqued to spec.
I can't keep this on. This is alright. No, this is the 70. What happened to the 60? Oh, it's on the brake bar.
Oh, yeah.
So like, no, this is looking too much now.
Alright, so now we've got the new pulley on. It's all looking good.
Where's the tensioner for this bit though?
Okay, so the tensioner for this is there.
Right there.
So it's really easy.
I'm gonna have to be underneath.
Okay, so that was nightmarishly fun when you haven't got everything that you really probably should have to do the job. Anyway, so we had we got the belt on, pulley's in, so we've got to do the AC, the aircon belt, and then fill it back up, put it back together, and joy! So we've got everything in, everything's all done. We're topping up the system again. Unfortunately, the battery's flat. Yay! Awesome. So we're going to try and get jump somehow so we can start to fill the system up and get it going again. Once it's running, it'll be alright because the battery will charge and yeah, it's pretty good for that. But otherwise, we need boost. All right, we have had success. As you can hear, it's running. Thankfully, thanks to Cody and also some his mate as well. We wouldn't have been able to get it done without them. So very, very appreciative. Much love and respect. Alright, so next you guys will be seeing, depending on the weather, is getting the reverse sensors done and then also getting the door window, or the driver's door window regulator replaced. Just like how we had to do on the rear left. Alright, I'll see you guys hopefully on a sunnier day. Alright, yeah everyone, this next bit of the video is not going to be a happy one. Unfortunately there's been an incident, so we got the car up to the stage of getting a jump started and all that jazz, and yeah, I was meant to do another update video sort of thing with it, or continue on the video. Anyway, so my son had used the car for work, and unfortunately in a notorious area where it's really slippery, we had heavy rain over the weekend and he lost control. He's okay, but unfortunately, you know, Bemo's not. So Bemo's taken a big hit. So a lot of the damage underneath there, a lot of things are disconnected and everything, and yeah, so she's written off. There's no returning it. So we've also, I'll show you from in here. Yeah, she's taken a heavy hit. So this whole lot would have been shifted for sure. Yeah, I can tell. So when you look up in there, you can see all. Oh, hang on, sorry. There we go. So yeah, she's all been shifted. The tower's been shifted. All of this has been shifted to the side. So kind of leaves me in a predicament because now I don't have a car, and I haven't finished the bike yet. So as you can probably imagine, it's been a bit of a roller coaster for me. I've got major depression and other little mental health quibbles. So yeah, it's been a roller coaster of emotions for me. I do have a plan. So this happened probably about 4 or 5 days ago. So, you know, I needed time to assess and evaluate everything before I let you guys know what I was planning on doing. And I'm still not completely letting you guys know completely what I'm doing, because you'll have to like, subscribe and all that jazz and hit the notification bell. So yeah, there is a plan. You can't just let a 3-litre BMW engine go. So if you want to see what that plan will be, yeah, as I said, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you can see what updates will be coming. And also, yeah, if you want to also see what I'm doing with the bike. If you want to see where this car originated on the channel, because it was my first video, don't forget to click wherever it pops up. Alright guys, see you on the next one. See ya.